Hey guys, let me welcome you back to the channel. My name's Justin.
And I'm Jana.
You're watching Survival Mindset. So we're out here in the El Dorado National Forest. We just got all set up, as you guys saw. I just got the fire lit. I got the tiki torches lit. And now my wife wants to see the lights lit. So let's light up the lights real quick. How's that look, babe?
Cool.
Yeah, we got remotes and everything. So yeah, our setup's lit up and our first night is kicking off to a good start here, folks.
Yep.
And our dinner was awesome, huh, babe?
Off the chain.
It was really good. We had the ribeye. You'll see it in another video if you follow the whole series, yes. And we'll be adding some more firewood to this fire shortly here. So what do you got to say? Tell them a little bit about our son and stuff.
Let's pour a shot first.
We're gonna pour. We got a bottle of Patron right here, so we're gonna pour the Patron real quick, and then my wife's gonna announce something. Hope you guys are all having a wonderful evening.
We are.
We sure are. Now, every year we come here, we book this a year in advance. You're very lucky to get it every year consecutively, like we have been
Getting it.
Yeah, like Jana just nailed it. Yep. Yeah, I had a few cocktails, as you guys can tell. So we're having a good time, our first night. And actually, it's been pretty cold up here, huh?
Yeah, I got a jacket on already.
Yeah.
I've had it on since before dark.
Now, we're not far from my house, you know. It's been 100 degrees at my house, but here it's higher in elevation, so you got a colder climate here, definitely. This is like the start of snow country right here. Yeah, so, I mean, it's September right now, but it's pretty cold here. Yeah, so the fire's gonna feel good. Look at this setup, though. It's incredible. My wife came up with the tiki torches and the lights and all that. You know, I just take care of the fire, you know. And yeah, so you got something to say?
Yep, I do. So we want to give a big shout out to our son, Robert, who had his reenlistment ceremony yesterday on the USS Arizona in Pearl Harbor. He re-enlisted for another 4 years.
4 years.
And he's going to be stationed now in February in Quantico, Virginia. He's currently stationed in Hawaii.
So USMC, as you see, I got the shirt on right now, representing all the Marines. You do an awesome job out there.
Thank you for your service.
Yeah, thank you for your service. You guys, you are fantastic. And Robert, you're doing an awesome job out there, and it's very cool that you re-enlisted, and we love you very much.
So here's to Robert.
So cheers.
Cheers, Robert.
With the Patron. Cheers to all you guys. Cheers, Robert. Smooth as can be. We had it chilled. Usually we got a cooler out here, you know, but
it's cool enough. We don't need a cooler.
Since we didn't bring warm clothes, really, we're not going to be out here too long at all. I'll tell you that much.
Not tonight. It's our first night.
So,
Justin cut a lot of wood and stuff. So.
Chopped a lot of wood. Yeah, you guys saw the wood. It's pretty cool. All the wood's just laying around here. You got some good woods too. You got some oaks. You got some cedars. You got some sugar pines, ponderosa pines.
All kinds of pines.
Of course, this is one of the best places to collect fatwood. If you're into fatwood, which a lot of you guys, a lot of my viewers are, this is the spot for the gold, the lava.
That's where we got it out last time.
I just started this fire probably with a couple pounds of fatwood, but the rest is all cedar, of course, which I'll be adding a log shortly. At least all this black smoke, you know how fatwood leaves off that black lingering smoke. It's shooting like straight up in the air. Look at that, babe. We got a full moon over this way.
Oh yeah.
Look at that. That's incredible.
Cool.
Yeah. And what else? We saw a couple deers when we first arrived here. Yeah. So they weren't no bucks or nothing. We had a lot of does come through the backside of the base camp, which was awesome.
Yep.
Yeah. So we're this up here, you know, and we're glad you joined the video and everything. And we're
Our first vacation of the year.
Yeah, our first real vacation. As you guys know, my mom passed away. So usually we get out camping and, you know, anything to do with any kind of outdoor adventure. And we really haven't got away. We went to the yurt, but that wasn't really a vacation. That was something awesome. That was for wedding anniversary, 16 years. Yeah. So if you haven't seen that video, check out the yurt video of our 16th wedding anniversary. It's a pretty cool place. We're going to be going back there, at the end of the month, right?
Yep, at the end of September.
Yeah. So we'll be back there. It's a place that we're probably going to get to go to a lot, you know, and everything. But I do want to change the light setting. Let's see what else we got here. Oh yeah, that's flashing right there.
Chasers.
Pretty cool. Change it up a little more. That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
There's like, 13 different modes on this thing, right?
Something like that.
Yeah. So let's just go through a couple different ones. That's totally still. Yeah, so you can focus really good on the lights there. Those slowly fade in and out, I believe. Yeah,
Yep.
Those fade in and out. And so, yeah, we got this all set up differently this year. We ran out of lights, so basically on the first two front ones right here, we got the lights going up, the tiki torches. Last year we didn't have that. And anything else?
Yep.
Nope.
Just enjoying our vacation.
Yep, so we're just gonna chill out here. You guys follow the series at the El Dorado National Cabin. El Dorado.
One too many cocktails. Let's have another shot.
We're in this follow the cabin series. We're in the El Dorado National Forest here. Trust me,
funny.
It's gonna be good. We got the Dutch oven again. Like, I want to tell you guys this one more time. The Dutch oven. We got the barbecue. We got loads of gear testing. Wasn't that gear test today pretty cool though?
This light right here.
So Gina tested this Vaunt light out right here. Vaunt, okay? It's a budget-friendly lantern. You guys gotta see the video. We did a drop test
And a water test.
and a submerged in water test. And you guys gotta check out the video to see the outcome of that one. Okay guys, we're just kicking back now, and thanks for tuning in again, and you're watching Survival Mindset.
Peace.
Peace out. Hoorah! Semper Fi! Good job, Marines.